Good evening dear teachers. Today I am preparing this video to tell you how you are going to upload your half yearly examination question paper on Google Classroom, and when a student will submit their answer sheet, how it will show on your Google Classroom. Okay, so for doing this, first of all we have to open our classroom. I have opened mine. As you can see, in mine there is just only one class. In yours there will be so many classes as you have created. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to select your class in which you need to upload your question paper. Okay, so I am having one classroom and I have to upload my question paper in this class, so I am just selecting this class. After selecting this class, I will go on this second option, classwork option. After clicking on this classwork option, there will be plus button will appear. So I have to click on this plus button. After clicking on this plus button, I have to select this first option, assignment option. Okay, so I will select this assignment option. After that, one new page will open and you have to give the details for your question paper, and you have to attach your question paper in this page. First of all, it is asking for the title, so you have to give title. I am giving half yearly examination question paper of accounts. Okay, next option is given description. Description is optional. If you want to give some additional description to students, you can give, otherwise you can just leave it blank. Next option is showing for points. You will click on this point and you will select this unmarked option, as we are not going to give points. We are going to just give them the numbers manually, so you will click on this unmarked and you will click on save button. After this point, there is due date option given, so you have to select the due date. Due date means in which date you are going to take this examination, and student needs to submit their answer sheet. For example, 13 is the date of conducting the exam, so I'm just selecting this 13 date. Time, then you have to select the time. When the examination will finish, you have to select that time. For example, if your examination is from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., so you have to select the time at 9 a.m. Okay, so you will select this 9 a.m. option. After this option, one option is given for topic. If you want to just add some additional topic, you can just click on the you can add, otherwise you can just leave with no topic, so I'm just leaving this blank. After doing all these things, you have to attach your question paper which you have made. Okay, and I hope you all know how to make the PDF file of your question paper. If you don't know, then I will be making a video for students and I will be telling them how to make the PDF file. So from there you can just see how to make the PDF file. So for me, I have created my question paper and I have made a PDF, and I have saved my PDF file in this phone. So I will go to attachment option. There so many options will be giving. You can select your question paper from Drive if you have uploaded if you have uploaded question paper on Drive, or if it is saved on your phone, then you have to select this file option. After selecting this file option, you will go on this document option. When you will go to document, then all the documents which is saved on your phone, it will show over there. So you have to select your question paper. So for like mine, this is the question paper, so I have selected this question paper. After this, you have to click on this drop down button and you have to select first option, students can view only. Okay, so you have to select this student can view option, and after doing all these things, you have to click on the send button and you will send this question paper for student. Send button is given just behind the attachment option. I have clicked on this send button and it is showing, and I have to click on assign option. So this assignment is created, means question paper I have it is uploaded for students who are enrolled in my classes. So you can just click it there and you can see also. Okay, so now it is uploaded, and now students it will go to students and they will just submit their answer sheet, and then it will come on your Google Classroom. So that I will be telling in the next part of this video. So